Hello and welcome back. It's day 2, pretty much. Start from yesterday, do a count, do a video every day. Right, 30th of March 2024. I uploaded a video yesterday. If you haven't seen it, I'll put the link in the description and go and watch it. I recommend go and watch it. Anyway, in that video I said about in this ploughed field that the guy who ploughed it, in this case, in Gibson's, done all of that. Anyway, he came back yesterday. I don't know when he got back, but he was still doing it at 6 or something. I don't know, 5. Anyway, so yeah, he's done the headlands. He's done the whole field now. And this is a bit from the headlands. It's quite crumbly, quite dry soil. Just on the top, it's very like slick. Don't know if you can see that. It's quite slick on like what was the top, and now it's nice and crumbly. So yeah, he's done. Whoever did it is he. I have seen him in the tractor. Did the headlands, which, as I said in the previous video, makes cracks like this, and I'll show you in the camera, quite deep crack, and that will increase the surface area in the soil, which for the soil allows it to dry quicker. As you can see, dried very well. Gosh, like this, really dry now. And this is now what the top layer is. So, dries it out, allows it to, so if it rains it'll just straight up go all the way down rather than stay on the top, make it all slick. So yeah, Easter tomorrow. And today's Saturday, the weekend. So yeah, you can definitely see the difference if I put the phone here. You see the difference. The right is what was ploughed yesterday. The left is what was ploughed the other day. So you can tell this has a lot more moisture in it, like that. It's still got a lot of moisture in it, whereas this, especially like the top there, crumbly and dry. So that is good. He also did that corner over there, the bale twine. I'll be taking that. Never know when you might need some baler twine. Never really saw this bit. You can see the ridge here from and that. Never really noticed it. A bit brambles. But I think, like, you may see that, but because this high bushes, you don't see this bit behind the telegraph pole. That's quite interesting. So yeah. Now, this is pretty much the end of this video, because today's update was just on this field. But if you want any more updates, like the RSR field, which is over there, or the rye field over there, go and watch the previous video which I uploaded yesterday. Yeah, so go and watch the previous video for yesterday's update. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye for now. I know this was a short one. Yeah. Click that subscribe button for more farming content. And see you again tomorrow maybe. Bye for now. Right guys. Just going to do a quick quiz question. And if you want to answer it in the comments, let me know. And in the next video, I'll let you know what it is. So, got a few things. Let's start with something easy for today. What is that? It's a bit rusty, but I think you can get an idea. Right, answer it in the comments, let me know in the comments. And yes, I'll tell you what it is in the next video. Right, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye for now. And click that subscribe button.